So this is the first question, okay? Tyler, you just try your best, all right? No pressure. The rest of you, I'm expecting y'all to answer it completely as I have taught y'all so far, yeah? Okay, so I want all the answers in. I should have 9 answers in by 7:35. So tell me which card. Okay, you can just call this card A and this card B. All right? And I want the explanation. Those who still cannot give me the correct answer, you all are going to copy the answer out 20 times, yeah? I will remind your parents to show me what you have copied out 20 times. So there are 2 parts to this answer, okay? I already gave you a clue. It's a 2-mark answer. There are 2 parts to it. Yiling ah, this is nothing. Your answer has nothing to do with what I taught you last week, leh. You want me to give you another chance? My dear girl, can you try one more time, Liling? Very good, Tegan. Tyler, can you please look at your answer? There's a slight mistake. The heat was transferred from where to where? Do you want to change from where to where? Good. Kaden, very good. So far, Kaden, very good, full marks. Tegan, full marks. Kyla, I give you 1 chance to edit it. Liling, you will probably have to copy 20 times already, okay? Okay, I only have 4 answers in. I'm waiting for Viola's answer just came in. My dear Viola, you cannot remember anything that I have taught, huh? Okay, never mind. Viola also copy 20 times, okay? How many answers do I have already? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brian's answer. Okay, Brian, good. Full marks. Very good, Brian. Raphael, Sky, waiting for you. Janelle. Just the 3 of you. Tyler, do you want to edit your answer? Okay. Can you type in a new answer for me? You can just copy and paste your answer and then edit accordingly. If not, you can just type out the whole answer. I'm waiting for Janelle, Sky, and Raphael. By 7:40, if your answer is still not in, I will assume that you don't know how to answer and you will have to copy out 20 times. Janelle, read the answer, read the question. Is it card A or card B?
I already said the card B or card A inside the answer. Yeah.
Okay, then you will have to copy 20 times, unfortunately. Raphael, once again, never remember anything I taught. Sky also. Okay, so I will read out those who need to copy 20 times, okay? Janelle, Ling, Sky, and Raphael and Viola. All right? I don't know why y'all cannot seem to remember what I have taught. Kyla as well, okay? You didn't get the answer correct. But I will give you chance because this is only your second time doing this question. So guys, please take note. First and foremost, we are looking at Sky. You already don't know how to answer. You are still so distracted. We are looking at the hot water in the cup, not the material, Kyla. The region of higher temperature is the hot water inside the cup. Viola, do you understand? Now, where is the hot water losing heat to, Viola?
The surrounding air.
Good. So everybody, the hot water is losing heat to the surrounding air. Now, in order to reach room temperature, it needs to lose heat to the surrounding air, correct, Sky? Look at material B. It is a puffy material that has pockets of air. I already mentioned this many times in the past 3 weeks. What can you tell me about air, Raphael? You could answer this last week, Raphael, and then suddenly this week cannot remember anything. What can you tell me about air, Raphael?
Air is a poor conductor of heat.
Thank you. Viola, do you remember me mentioning this for the past 2 weeks that you were with me? Can you repeat what Raphael said?
Air is a poor conductor of heat.
How come I don't see this in your answer, Viola? Sky, Raphael, how come I don't see this in your answer? Now, if air is a poor conductor of heat, Li Ling, I also don't see anything about air in your answer. Will the hot water in B or A lose heat faster to the surrounding? I repeat my question. Listen carefully, Li Ling. Will the hot water in A or B lose heat faster to the surrounding?
A.
Viola, do you agree with her?
Yes.
What was her answer?
A.
Exactly. This air is going to slow down the heat transfer from the hot water to the surrounding. In A, the hot water is going to lose heat faster. So Janelle, which one will reach room temperature faster?
A.
Then why you say B? I gave you a chance, right, Janelle?
I thought it's trying
Your
to
answer
slow
everything correct except that alphabet, you know?
Okay.
So you still have to copy 20 times. I gave you a chance. So those who need to copy 20 times, look at the answer on the screen. Okay, I want you to just copy it down once. Do not copy it down while I am teaching, yeah? Janelle, okay? All right, copy it down after lesson. All right? Look here. The answer looks like A. The reason is, tell me about the material B trapping air. So, Sky, what? Material B traps. Material B has what? What does it have?
It's metal. Pocket air.
Pockets of air, which is what, Sky?
Which are poor conductor of heat.
Which is a poor conductor of heat. So, Viola, the hot water in A will? Okay, so the hot water in B will what?
Will
Look at the arrow. The hot water is losing heat or gaining heat from the surroundings. What?
lose heat.
Will lose heat. to the surroundings slower or faster, Viola?
Slower.
Okay, so this is your answer. I want y'all to copy it out. And I'm going to send this picture to your parents. For those who need to copy out 20 times, okay? Feeling, have you copied the answer down? If I don't see, if your parents don't take a picture for me next week, y'all will stay back after class and copy down 20 times and show me into the screen, yeah? Including you, Sky, no exception. So the two parts to this answer that I mentioned about just now was you need to tell me air is a poor conductor of heat. Hot water in B will lose heat to surroundings slower. Those who managed to get 2 marks, very good job. Okay? Kyla, do you see your mistake? So the heat transfer is not from the... Wait. Oh, you edited your answer. Okay, so basically your heat transfer is from the hot water to the surroundings, yeah? Okay, everybody finish copying. I'm going to flip the screen. Who needs more time? Lily, have you finished copying? Are you sure you have finished copying? Okay, everybody, I want your pens to be down now. Do not write the 20 times in class, yeah? Okay, I have another question for you guys. During winter, Josh wears a puffy jacket to keep warm. Explain how the jacket keeps him warm. Now, this is related to part A. Okay, Viola, this is related to part A. Sky, Liling, this is related to part A. So I want to see your answers in the chat group now. 9 answers. 7:50, I want all answers to be in, yeah? As and when you are ready, just type the answer. Figure out where is the region of higher temperature, where is the region of lower temperature. Then figure out how the jacket helps to slow down the transfer of heat. Ryan, I'm waiting for your answer. You need to type. Very good. Caden's answer is in. Very good. Tegan's answer is in. Caden and Tegan, both of you are doing very well. Keep up the good work. You have 2 more minutes, yeah? Liling, you are almost there. Half mark missing. Where is the heat being transferred from? From where to where? You only say to where. You never say from where. Liling, you want to edit your answer? Tyler, your direction of heat transfer is incorrect. It's okay, I will go through the question later, Kyla. Don't need to edit. Liling, please edit your answer. 1 more minute. Sky, Viola, Janelle. Very good. Janelle, you got it. Fantastic job, Janelle.